I'm Steve from mcp.run. Today I'm going to demonstrate the power of ABBYY's Document API when used via MCP, a powerful new standard to link your tools to your AI systems. We're going to use mcp.run's platform to deliver an ABBYY MCP server to Claude Desktop, a popular AI chatbot. Inside ABBYY's docs, you can see a link to create a developer account and to get an API key. With your developer account, you can generate a new API key and copy and paste it into mcp.run's profile. You would create a configuration for your ABBYY image to text MCP server, paste your API key here, and click Save. Now we're ready to use it. Inside of Claude Desktop, I can ask the AI to do anything I'd like. Unlike typical usage of Claude Desktop, this is actually expanding on the model's capabilities, which are just to return answers to me. And with MCP, I can now have the model take action for me using tools I've given it. In this case, I've given it access to fetch things from the internet, to use ABBYY's image to text APIs, and then to send messages to Slack. I'm telling Claude to find an image URL about an announcement of one of our other products on our website, delibso.com, and convert the image to text. I'd like you to then send that output to my public demos channel on Slack inside of a code formatted block. We're going to run this and see how it works. I'm going to fetch the website contents, and it's going to look for a URL, which it found. It's going to pass that URL to ABBYY's Document API for extraction. And it's now going to use the second step of the API, which is to use the document ID generated to get the data. It's determined that the image is still being processed, and it's going to retry the operation. It found the text from ABBYY, and it's going to send it to Slack. It's going to look for the right channel, and send the message to the channel I asked it. It extracted the contents of the image, and it's going to send it off to Slack in a code block. There it is. Good job, ABBYY API.